guys, in this video we're gonna try to understand the dashboard of Google Analytics 4. So currently I'm at the report section of the analytics, and here in the report snapshot you can see the various panels are given. So we are gonna try to understand one by one, but currently here you can see we are having no data since I have recently created this analytics. So currently we don't have any data to show, so that is the reason I'm gonna use demo account. And in the demo account I'm gonna select the Google Merchandise Store. So yeah, so here you are able to see the uh, real data of Google Merchandise Store. So to start with the dashboard, let's come up with this first panel. So here you can see users are given. The first option is users, and here new users. So these are overall users which are currently visiting to the Google Merchandise Store, and these are the new ones. And here you can see the average engagement time is given. Means people no average means around 2.2 minute and 19 seconds people are engaging with the Google Merchandise Store website. And here are the revenue. This is the revenue that Google Merchandise Store is currently making. So here actually let's select the date for 30 days. From this option you can change the duration for which you want to see the report. I have selected the last 30 days, and yeah, so in this panel you can see in the last 30 days 94k of users visited the Google Merchandise Store, and out of which 83k are new users, and average engagement time was 2 minutes 17 seconds. And in the last 30 days Merchandise Store has made 391k dollar of revenue. And in the right side of this panel there is called this is the real time. So in the last 30 days 52 users are visited the Google Merchandise Store. And in the right side of this real time panel, which is called the insight. So insights are basically tells the inside story of your Google Analytics. The more data your analytics receive, the more insight Google will provide for your data. So if you click in view all insights, so here you can see various insights Google Analytics will provide. So through this option you can dig deeper into your reports, and basically it is like a recommendation that in the last 30 days or last 3 months what are the changes or what are the observation Google Analytics have done. So here you can see user for campaign medium refer spiked, and users dropped, and user for campaign sources youtube.com spiked. Means when we click here, so here we can see, okay, so we have forecasted that user of the campaign source YouTube would be between 5 to 298, but actually actual users of 2396 were greater than this range. So basically from the YouTube campaign, visitors are usually live in the in normally they use visitors from the YouTube platform visits visits around 5 to 298 of range, but in the last 30 days which is increased to 2396, which is a spike. So that is why the graph is showing in the spike, which is around here you can see, which is a great increment. So in this way, mm, this will provide insight story for your analytics. So here you can see and observe and just get a deeper insight for your reports. And yeah, so after the insights, there is the option where do your new users come from. From here only you will get to know they are the users are visiting your website from through organic search or through referral, through affiliate or through CPC. So if we click here, you can see different options are given, like first user medium, first user source or medium. So currently we are at the medium. So through which medium users have visited the Google Merchandise Store. So currently here you can see organic, referral, CPC, affiliate and email. Through email they have visited the Google Merchandise Store. And once we select the source, so current now you can see from which source users have uh, that Google Merchandise Store has getting the visitors. The Google Merchandise Store is getting the visitor from YouTube, from Google, from Baidu, from Coursera. So these are the different platform and sources. And now, what are your top campaigns? So here you can see through organic, Google Merchandise Store getting the most of the visitors. And yeah, now after that there is a referral, then CPC, email. So here also you can select the different medium sources and different option you can see and observe. Here you can see through Google, it is visited like 61K of visitors getting the Google Merchandise Store, and from YouTube analytics and all. And below here you can see the country. So through which country Google Merchandise Store is getting the visitors. So if your current country is not visible in this list, you can simply hover your mouse to the country and it will show the data. So currently in the India, in the last 30 days, 8,543 visitors are from India. And yeah, in this way you can check. Here also you can see the users. You can check how many new users have visited uh, the website, and out of those all users, how many are actually returning, how many returning users are getting. Okay, so now how are active users trending? So these are the trending for your visitors. So in the last one day, this is the trending, and this is for the last 7 days, and the top one is for the last 30 days. So in this way you can observe the graph is going upwards or downwards. This is also the activity of the users. And yeah, from here you can observe which pages of your website are getting the most of the visitors. Okay, so currently we can see home page, Google Online Store, shopping carts. These are the where visitors are getting most for the Google Merchandise Store. And these are all the events. So here you can see view promotion, view item, page view, scroll. These are all the events or that or basically you can say engagement that people are doing in the merchandise store. Basically these all events are created with the help of tag manager. Some, yeah, Google Analytics also provides some default events. So, but through Tag Manager also we can create. And this is the most important part, which is called the conversion. So here you can see in the merchandise store, people, this is the first visit people are making in the merchandise store. Then after that, they have begin the checkout after selecting their product, and these are the purchase. So through this chart, we can understand that 83,000 people are just visited the website. Out of those, 10K of people are with the checkout, and after those, finally 3.7 people or 3.7K people are doing the actual purchase. So this is the data for conversion data for last 30 days. So this is actually for e-commerce website you are getting this kind of data, but if you are running the service website, so here you can observe how many people are visiting, how many people are filling the forms, how many people are clicking on the emails. So all this observation from this conversation you can observe. And here for e-commerce purchase, here from you will get to know which items are people are purchasing the most. And here we can see the conversions. Basically it will tell how many percentage of people or how many people are from web or from mobile or from which platform they are getting. The conversion is happening basically. So here if you select you can also select the conversion, you can select the event count, and you can select the total revenue. So out of total revenue, how many people are are they from web or are they from different platform? So this is the conversion part. So alright guys, this is all about the report snapshot of Google Analytics 4. So in the next video, we will try to cover the real-time report for the Google Analytics 4. So see you in the next video.